Hi, Lancers. I'm here to talk to you about how to access materials on climate change in the library databases. So, as you can see, I'm already on the library website. Now, if you don't know how to get here, it's really easy. You can Google Lamoille Library, and we're the first topic that comes up. You can also find it on your iPad if you have a school iPad. It's under LUMHS Library with a red background with a person reading. Or you can go to it from the high school site, the middle school site under services. So, this is our library website, though. It has all of the information that you need for really good research. So, today we're going to go to databases. And from what I hear, you're researching climate change and the ecology of climate change, ecological and societal implications for climate change. Got it. So once you go to the database page on the library website, you'll see that these are all divided into different sections. Now, science and health would be a really logical place to go. We also have one other resource that is a really good resource. So we have many resources that are really good resources, but anyway. So high school is a really nice general resource, a little bit of everything, and it has a lot of information. Well, when we scroll down to science and health, we have science and context, another really good database, as well as environmental studies and policy. Now, this one would probably be a really good one for you. But I'm also going to show you global issues, which is in news and current events. So, global issues is a really great database because it talks about the issues that are happening globally, including climate change. If I scroll down to the browse issues, there's actually a whole section, 90 different topics of environment and climate change. So you could see if any of these headings have your topic in, like if they explain your topic. So marine pollution, that would have to do with the fish and stuff like that. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go up here to the search and search climate change. And then I'm going to do what's called a Boolean search and insert and. Now you can do and, or, not, different things like that. So climate change and fish. And we'll see what we come up with. Okay, so we have some articles. We have 2,000 articles in the news. We've got 26 articles from academic journals and 32 from magazines. Now we've got biographies, we've got reference, which are encyclopedias. We've got viewpoints, which tend to be like editorials. So you could go with that as well. But for now, I think we should go with maybe academic journals. Now, academic journals tend to be a little higher on the it might be a little harder to understand because they're written on a higher level. This is a content level 5 out of 5. So I'm actually going to go to news. And okay, so researchers at Field Museum of Natural History target climate change. This sounds like it could be interesting. Global warming focus. It's recent. It's from last month. Or this one looks interesting too. So there's a lot of interesting articles, it looks like. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the article and read through it. Is it something that's going to be helpful to you? Is it really what you need for your topic? And can you understand it? All good questions. And then if you do end up using this resource, you're going to want to cite your source. So if you scroll all the way to the bottom, there is a source citation set up for you already in MLA 8th edition, which is the current edition of MLA, which is a way to cite things. So I'm going to hit select, and then you can just copy, or you can save it to your Google Drive. You can also save your article to your Google Drive by hitting send to Google Drive, and it'll have you log in. Or there's this cite button up here as well. So lots of different ways to use these articles. We've got cite, send to, you can download it, you can get the link to it. One thing, don't copy the URL at the top. You got to use this link. I can sign in with Google, I can sign in with Google Classroom or Microsoft. So lots of ways to use these databases. So I just wanted to say, the library's got databases for you. We hope that you'll use them. They're on the library database page. And if you have any questions at all, please let me know. I am easily contactable through email or text. Go to the library website for contact options. Have a great day, Lancers.